Second owner mid-century ranch with unique accents. Private setting on .49 acre lot with fenced backyard adjacent to woods. Foyer entry with coat closet, opens to the living room or kitchen with pocket door providing great traffic flow in this floor plan. Spacious living room with wood-burning fireplace, updated flooring and corner picture windows. Dining room off the living room has a large picture window with a view of the backyard, patio and woods. The kitchen has plenty of cabinets, breakfast bar, appliances and a breakfast room. The bathroom is beautifully remodeled with tile floor and tub surround, attractive vanity and cubby. All bedrooms and dining room have hardwood floors. Master bedroom has built-in dresser and 2 closets. Organizer in hall closet and attic fan. Basement is mostly open with a fireplace in the family room area, half bath with new vanity, sound studio room, laundry area and